Welcome to Magic Indicator Strategies. Today we will teach you one of the most accurate and reliable trading strategies on our channel. This trading algorithm is based on 3 free TradingView indicators that in conjunction can double or even triple your account size in a very short time. The logic behind this strategy is so simple that even a beginner can understand it. We highly urge you to pay close attention to everything we discuss in this video, because by the end of it you will know exactly when to enter the trade, where to place stop losses and profit targets, and how to build this wonderful indicator setup you're seeing on the screen right now. Without wasting time, let's get on with the strategy. We will add these indicators one by one and explain how they work. So, in order to add the first study, click on the Indicators menu at the top and search for QQE mod. There are many QQE indicators out there. The script that you're looking for was created by Mickle00. I want to personally thank the creator for this truly amazing indicator. QQE is a momentum-based indicator used to determine trends and sideways movement. The qualitative-quantitative estimation indicator works like a smoother version of the popular relative strength index indicator. The indicator consists of the white line, the gray, blue, and red histograms, and the zero level. Qualitative-quantitative estimation can be used in 2 directions. First, to determine the trend. For example, if the white line is above the 50 level, the trend is ascending; if below, descending. Second, to find buy and sell entries based on the colored histogram. When there is a new blue bar formed, this is a signal to buy. When a red bar appears on the indicator, this is a sell signal. We will be using this tool as secondary confirmation. This means that the signals given by the first confirmation indicator in our strategy will be confirmed by QQE mod. The settings of this indicator will remain on default. For the next indicator, we will need to add a tool called SSL Hybrid. Make sure you add the right one. Before we explain the main idea behind this script, let's make some adjustments to the settings. In the Styles section, disable everything except for the baseline, exit arrows, and bar color. Then head over to the inputs and set the baseline to 150 and the type to LSMA. Also change the exit arrow length to 25. Once you've finished with the settings, the indicator should look like this. SSL Hybrid is a trend-following indicator that incorporates both moving averages, an exit signal that will be used for entries, as well as bar colors. Generally, we're only going to be looking to buy when the price is higher than the baseline. On the other hand, sell entries will only be available when the price is lower than the moving average. The arrows you can see on the chart will serve as confirmation of a buy or sell entry. For example, the price is above the moving average and a buy arrow is printed below the candle. If both the price bar, the baseline, and the QQE mod are blue, then this is a confirmed long entry. If one of these conditions is not met at the time the arrow is displayed, then the signal is not valid. Exactly the opposite is true for short entries. If we take a look at some of these entries, we can see that not all of them have high accuracy. Just take a look at these fake signals. The price would have immediately reversed and triggered the stop loss. So what's the problem, you might ask? Well, the problem is that our strategy lacks one fundamental piece, the volatility filter. Without this tool, we would not be able to eliminate all these false signals generated by the strategy. So let's add it to the chart and you will see how effective it is. This script is called the Volatility Oscillator, created by VeryFid. Once you've installed it on the chart, open its settings and uncheck some of the options. Now the strategy is complete. Let's break down the exact rules for buy and sell trades. A buy signal is valid when the following criteria are met. First, a buy arrow is displayed on the chart. Second, the price bar is positioned fully above the baseline. Both the baseline and the bar are blue. Third, the QQE mod bar is blue. The white line is above the zero level. Fourth, the volatility white line must be inside the range formed by the upper and lower bands. Do not enter the trade if the line breaks above the upper band at the time a buy signal was issued. This rule is critical to follow because it will increase the win ratio of this strategy to over 90%. As soon as the conditions are met, place a buy order at the close of the price bar. The stop loss should be positioned slightly below the most recent swing. Target at least 2 times the risk with this strategy. To increase the win ratio even more, adjust the stop loss to the break-even level as soon as the market reaches 1-to-1 risk-reward. Now let's check all those false signals we saw before. Watch how the volatility oscillator eliminates all of them. For a short entry, the opposite must be true. First, a red arrow must be displayed on the chart. Second, the price bar is positioned fully below the baseline. Both the baseline and the bar are red. Third, the QQE mod bar is red. The white line is below the zero level. Lastly, just like with long trades, the volatility white line must not break outside the bands. If it exceeds the upper or lower band, the short signal is not valid. If the rules are met, place a sell order at the close of the price bar. The stop loss will be set above the most recent swing high. Apply the same money management principle as for long trades. Traders, I hope you have understood the rules. Now let's quickly test this strategy on the price of Ethereum. Pay close attention to these trades. It's worth mentioning that this algorithm works on shorter time frames. It is suitable for trading cryptocurrencies, stocks, and forex. You can see for yourself that the strategy is highly effective. Out of 20 trades we found, 17 turned out to be winners. This is incredible considering the fact that we're using a 5-minute time frame. If you enjoyed this strategy, please leave a like to this video. Also subscribe to Magic Indicator Strategy for more special content.